How to Make Money Online in 2026. The Smart Guide to Earning in the Digital Economy. The internet is no longer just a place for communication and entertainment, it has become one of the world's largest marketplaces. In 2026, making money online is more accessible than ever, but it's also more competitive. Success now depends on skills, strategy, creativity, and adaptability. Whether you're a student, freelancer, entrepreneur, or full-time professional looking for extra income, here's a complete guide to how people are making money online in 2026 and how you can too. 1. AI-powered freelancing. Artificial intelligence is transforming freelance work. Instead of replacing freelancers, AI is helping them work faster and smarter. Popular freelance skills in 2026. AI content creation and editing. Graphic design with AI tools. Video editing for social media. Prompt engineering. Website and app development. SEO and digital marketing. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer remain strong, but many professionals now build personal brands on LinkedIn, X, Twitter, and Instagram to attract direct clients. Pro tip: use AI tools to boost productivity, but focus on creativity and strategy. Clients pay for results, not just content. 2. Content creation and personal branding. In 2026, content is still king, but authenticity is queen. Profitable content platforms: YouTube, long-form plus shorts. TikTok. Instagram Reels. Blogging with SEO. Podcasting. LinkedIn thought leadership. Monetization methods include ad revenue, brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, paid memberships. Niche content performs better than general content. For example, tech explainers, finance education, AI tutorials, health and productivity, gaming, travel vlogging. The more specific your audience, the easier it is to monetize. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing continues to grow in 2026. You promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your link. Best affiliate categories: software and AI tools, online courses, e-commerce products, finance apps, web hosting services. You can promote through blogs, YouTube reviews, social media pages, email newsletters. The key is trust. Honest reviews convert better than aggressive selling. 4. Selling digital products. Digital products are one of the most profitable online income streams because they require no inventory or shipping. Examples: e-books, online courses, Notion templates, Canva templates, stock photos, presets, digital planners. Once created, digital products can generate passive income for years. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Shopify, and Teachable make selling easier than ever. 5. Remote jobs and online careers. Many companies now operate fully remotely. In 2026, global hiring has become standard practice. In-demand remote roles: virtual assistant, customer support, social media manager, data analyst, software developer, cybersecurity specialist, online tutor. Websites like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and LinkedIn Jobs regularly post remote opportunities. 6. E-commerce and dropshipping 2.0. E-commerce is smarter in 2026. AI tools now help with product research, pricing optimization, customer service chatbots, inventory forecasting. Dropshipping still works, but branding is essential. Instead of random products, successful sellers focus on building niche brands. Print on demand, custom t-shirts, mugs, posters, is also popular. 7. Crypto, Web3 and digital assets. Although more regulated now, digital assets still offer opportunities. Trading, high risk. Staking crypto. NFT design and sales. Web3 development. However, these markets are volatile. Education and caution are crucial. 8. Online teaching and coaching. If you have expertise in any field, you can monetize it. Examples: language teaching, coding classes, fitness coaching, business consulting, career mentorship. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Zoom-based coaching services make global teaching possible. 9. Microtasks and side hustles. For beginners, small online tasks can provide starting income. Data entry, transcription, survey sites, testing websites, selling photos. While not high-paying, they can help build initial experience. 10. Building an online business. The most sustainable way to make money online in 2026 is to build a long-term digital asset. A YouTube channel, a blog website, an email list, a niche brand, a SaaS product. Instead of chasing trends, focus on building value over time. Key trends in 2026. Heavy checkmark AI collaboration is normal. Heavy checkmark personal branding matters more than degrees. Heavy checkmark skills beat certificates. Heavy checkmark global competition is stronger. Heavy checkmark authenticity builds income. Final thoughts: making money online in 2026 is not about luck, it's about strategy, consistency, and skill development. The internet offers unlimited opportunity, but success requires effort and learning. Start small. Pick one method. Master it. Then scale. The digital economy is growing every day. The real question is, will you just consume online content or create value and earn from it?